This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Patricia Wiss. Water frontage paradise. The extra long drive, mini upgrades and open floor plan, are perfect for entertaining. Upon entering this immaculate, well-maintained 2-bedroom/2-bath AMHERST model, your eyes are immediately drawn to the breathtaking water view. As you enter through the screened porch, you see the large great room that flows flawlessly into the enclosed lanai and opens to your screened lanai overlooking the water. When you escape to your master ensuite with your private water view, you will feel as though you have arrived at a warm and inviting place. Whip up your favorite recipes in the chef's dream kitchen with granite surfaces, glass-tiled backsplash, new stainless steel appliances, oversized pantry, breakfast bar and plenty of counter space. There is tile throughout, except for the bedrooms which brag bamboo flooring. Plantation shutters on all windows, 3 solar tubes, privacy screening on garage and porch, hurricane shutters, newer high toilets, ceiling fans and a bonus storage closet in the enclosed lanai. Roof is just over 3 years old and heat/air conditioner were completely replaced inside and outside about 2 years ago. All this and located in Kings Point with its amazing facilities, pools, and clubs just waiting for you to enjoy. Kings Point is between Sarasota and Tampa and just a short ride to airports, great shopping, dining, professional sports, and entertainment. With easy access to award-winning beaches, this is the best of all worlds. This one won't last long. Call today and come see why life is more fun under our sun. For more information, review the details below or contact Patricia Wiss at 954-693-0100.